popular Redcat Gen8 ready-to-run crawler has just been upgraded. It is being released as the Gen8 V2. The Gen8 V2 includes heavy-duty axles, heavy-duty portal gears, and newly designed heavy-duty axle housings with dual shear shock mounts. The Gen8 V2 also includes a 25-kilogram Metal Gear digital steering servo, flat skid plate, and IROK Super Swamper tires with soft foam inserts for more of an air-down tire feel. 2 new body colors are also available, and they both include clear windows, for those of you who enjoy creating custom interiors. The Gen8 V2 Professional Rock Crawler also includes C-channel frame rails, low center of gravity battery tray, centrally mounted divorce transfer case, lockable slipper clutch, portal axles with Metal Gear covers, Mod 1 gears, machined aluminum spools, front CVAs, 32 rubber-sealed ball bearings, threaded aluminum shocks, 47-degree steering blocks with proper Ackerman, Panhard bar, LED-ready bumpers, winch-ready front bumper, and frame-mounted floor pans. The Gen8 V2's portal axles provide more ground clearance without needing bigger tires. On the Gen8 V2, much of the gear reduction happens inside the portal axles, which means less chassis torque twist than traditional axle shaft-driven rock crawlers. The portal axles provide 54.5 millimeters of ground clearance and include metal gear covers, metal wheel hexes, and CNC machined spools. The Gen8 V2 uses an innovative dual-design slipper clutch, which allows the driver to set the slipper clutch or completely lock it out. The Gen8 V2 accepts a wide range of pinion gears from 9-tooth all the way up to 23-tooth and includes a 32-pitch spur gear. This allows a gearing ratio of 28.12 to 71.85. A sealed pinion gear and spur keeps the gears safe from rocks and debris. Heavy-duty Mod 1 gears can be found in the transmission, transfer case, and portal axles. The Redcat Racing Gen8 V2 features a front-mounted motor and divorce transfer case for competition-inspired weight distribution. Go to redcatracing.com for more information.